Welcome back to the How To channel, guys. Today we're talking about how to buy Bitcoin, one of the most essential things today. So go on to Coinbase, you're going to download this app and it will need you to verify. If you've verified well enough, you'll be in, okay? And you can now see that you have the buy, sell, send, receive, scan, convert, all these different kind of things, okay? I'm going to show you some of the important bits. First, you want to add a payment method. That's either your credit card or PayPal. This is how you're going to buy your actual currency, okay? Now, if you want to buy whichever currency you want, just hit the buy button, okay? And it'll start to show you the currency on there. Now, guys, super easy. All you got to do is simply type in the amount you want and buy the Bitcoin. If you want to sell it, you do the exact same thing. Now it shows you all the coins you want, but what I want to show you is if you scroll to the bottom, it's actually going to show you an assets bit. Okay, this is going to show you your whole balance, what assets you have, and it'll also show you the top movers and stuff. But one thing you can learn from is the friends. Okay, invite friends and earn money. Look at your assets, it'll show up here and you'll get to see exactly how much you've made. Okay, whether that's your primary balance or your Web3 balance. So you can earn money by buying it, staking it, DeFi, all the things that you can on Coinbase. Please do a full research into Coinbase, but that's how you buy Bitcoin right now. So guys, do me a massive favor. If you love this channel, please hit the like, follow, and subscribe for more.